Up to now, staying organized with my rooms and offices rentals was a daily challenge. Odoo Rental makes it easy to control all of my rental operations. Let's see how it works. When creating a quotation, I can adapt the offer in a few clicks to fit my client's needs. Of course, I can keep an eye on which product is reserved, by day, week, month, or even year. It lets me avoid multiple reservations and help me schedule repairs or maintenance. Anytime, I can create reports of my rental's activity revenue by product or customer. Revenue by quarter or month. What if I need a new product? That's easy. It only takes a few clicks before being ready to be rented. And your renters want an extra day? Did they lose your key? Decide the price of those extras. Then have a look at your product's profitability with the analytic accounting and check which products you should rent with a higher price or simply stop renting. Try Odoo Rental and grow your rental business.